Congratulations, you've made it to Lesson 12 review, page 36 of your workbook. By now, you know exactly what to do. You should understand all of these concepts. If you don't, go back and study. You want to make sure you learn well as you go. If anything seems tricky, go back and study. So I'm going to share my screen here so we can take a quick look at this. So this first part, circle the symbol that matches the given word. This should be pretty easy for you. Okay, so you're going to circle which one of these two symbols is a half note, which two of these is a bar line, which two of these is a measure. Go through and do all of these. Make sure you know the difference. How do you tell the difference between a half rest and a whole rest? Which one's which? If you don't know, send me a message. I'll be sure to show you some little easy tips and tricks so you'll never make the mistake again. Make sure you know the difference between the note head and the stem. There's some easy tricks to help you understand these things. Number 2, you're going to write the number of beats that each note or rest receives in 4/4 time. Then number 3, on the staff below, you're going to do 3 different things. You're going to circle the quarter rests. It says in red. Then you're going to circle the half rests in green. And you're going to circle the whole rests in blue. If you don't have colored pencils to use, maybe you could use a triangle, and you could use a square, and you can use a circle. If you just want to use your pencil, you can come up with 3 different symbols for A, B, and C. That will work just fine. But if you have colored pencils, that's kind of fun. Let's go on for your review. Question number 4, you're going to be drawing half rests. Be careful. Draw them very specific. Music notation needs to be exact. Then you're going to draw some whole rests. On question number 5, it says on the staffs below, write the number under each note or rest as you would count them. I suggest that you use the 1, 2, 3, 4 way. But if you like the other way where you go 1, 1, 1, 1, that is not incorrect. The other way is just a little more advanced. The more advanced way is if you count up to whatever number this top number is. So every measure, you'll be counting up to 4. Here again, every measure, you'll be counting up to 4. Question number 6. Draw the type of note named below each measure. Hint, remember the stem rule. If you don't remember the stem rule, go back in your book and look it up. Remember, the stem rule has to do with line 3. Line 3 is a special line. It has to do with, does the stem go up or down? And is the stem on the right side of the note, or is the stem on the left side of the note? You need to know those rules. The more you look at notes, the more you'll get used to it. Look at the notes you draw and compare them to notes that are already on the page. Question number 7. Draw bar lines where they are needed on the staffs below. Hint, circle the top number of the time signature. You always need to look at the time signature. Remember, the time signature tells us how many beats are in each measure. Then we have not recently been doing our Get Your Ear in Gear. It says your teacher will play 2 notes. Identify the notes as same or different. In the next video, I'm going to start doing your Get Your Ear in Gear for you. So you have fun with this review, because the next video is going to be Get Your Ear in Gear along with your fun sheet. Have fun. Do your review. If you have any problems at all, Go back and study. We're going to be adding and adding and adding to our theory building blocks. Make sure you don't have any questions. Talk to you later in the next video. Theory is fun.